Los Angeles is under siege. Extreme fire danger and hurricane-force winds are fueling a week-long wildfire crisis. Here's what you need to know. A staggering 25 lives have been lost, with 13 people still missing, as 4 massive fires rage across Southern California. The Eaton fire alone has scorched over 14,000 acres, while the Palisades fire has destroyed more than 23,000 acres, leaving thousands homeless. High winds of up to 70 miles per hour, nearly hurricane force, are expected today, threatening to spread the blazes even further. Firefighters are racing against time, but without rain for over 250 days, conditions are critical. Experts blame human-induced climate change for intensifying these fires. Warmer, drier, and windier conditions are creating a perfect storm for destruction. Tens of thousands remain under evacuation orders. Meanwhile, officials like LA Mayor Karen Bass are promising rapid rebuilding efforts and emergency measures to prevent price gouging. Stay informed, stay safe, and support those affected by one of America's costliest natural disasters.